Okay, come on, let's wrap this up, boys.
It's not looking too healthy around here. Okay, Slow Guy.
I reckon we should leave Slow
Say
Guy
you
alone.
two,
This,
la.
this is only going to make him slower.
Oh, you reckon? I was thinking of giving
You
him
do to my
permanent
comrade,
fix.
you do to me.
What the
Yeah, I
fuck are you
do
doing,
something
Hunter?
special for you. I think it best if you see this. Look at me. Look at me. Better.
You're not going to be able to run it
Hey, Slow Guy.
much faster now. Peng! Peng! What the fuck are you doing? Peng! Peng!
Break him good. Put him up.
Oh my god, you're gonna
Peng!
kill him, man. Oh,
Peng, stop it!
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Peng!
Oh, yeah.
Pass him up good. That guy, he real slow. Yeah, sorry
Go on,
about
you-
that. I
go
got
ahead.
carried away.
Peng! What the fuck, man?
Guy pissed me off. I didn't want to kill other guy. That's not my fault. But yeah,
He was
leave that
looking
guy
for
to the
what?
grass.
Alright, alright. Fuck me.